Cool. Oh. There you go.
Now eat it. It's like making mud pies.
You can try some, bud.
Gee, look at him.
You don't come running in, don't get knocked over.
It's just man. All right.
Why should you use your spoon?
You like spoons.
You want a little?
Yeah, I was gonna ask you. Thank you.
I'm gonna give you a taste, so maybe it's more easier to get it.
You can do it. I'll hold it.
Is that cake? Look at it. You just start going like this. Look. Evans, look at it.
I remember when Austin turned one, he wouldn't talk to me, so
Oh my God.
one time he talked to me, he had that cake on his face, I just picked up some on the plate, smeared it, he loved it.